गोंयचो मायनिंग वेवसाय सुरू जावचो म्हण प्रत्येक खण अवलंबितांक दिसता. मायनिंग आयज सुरू जातलें, फाल्यां सुरू जातलें, आश्वासनांचेर आश्वासनां मेळत आसा. आनी आतां वेंचणुकेच्या बोवाळांत तर प्रत्येक येवपी पक्ष हें आश्वासन दिवपाक सोदता. मात वास्तवांत केन्ना मायनिंग सुरू जातलें हें अजून तरी कोणाकच खबर ना. कितल्यो संघटना ह्या मुद्द्याचेर झगडल्यो, मात अजून कांय जाग ना. सद्याच्या घडयेक मायनिंग सुरू जावपाक शकता काय कितें होवूय एक प्रश्न आसा. मायनिंग मुद्दो काडटना प्रामुख्यान नांव येता तें क्लाउद आल्वारीस हांचें. आमी तांचे कडेन मायनिंग सुरू जावपा संदर्भांत कितें तरी लक्षणां आसा काय म्हूण प्रश्न केल्लो तेन्ना तांच्यांनी विस्कटावणी करून ह्या संदर्भांत सांगलां.
Not a single party has got any program for restart of mining within 6 months. Mr. Kejriwal does not have any program. Congress doesn't have. Even BJP does not have, though BJP is in power for 9 years. People are forgetting BJP came to power in March 2012. Today we are in 2021 November. That is more than 9 years. If BJP is not able to start mining in 11 years, 9 years, what Kejriwal will start in 6 years? It's not possible.
6 months.
In 6 months, it is not possible at all. They say because I will give 3,000 rupees, it is possible to give 3,000 rupees to everybody. Because so much of money is being looted by the BJP government that if you give the contracts properly, you will save enough money and you will be able to give all the unemployed people 3,000 rupees per month. That Kejriwal is very good in doing. But how does Kejriwal start mining in 6 months? Congress says we will start mining as soon as we come. But where is the concrete program? Not a single person has given a concrete program.
मायनिंग 6 म्हयन्यां भितर सत्तेर आयल्यार सुरू करतले म्हण आश्वासन आम आदमी पक्षान दिलां.
सो मायनिंग इशू रिजॉल्व करतले जाल्यार तुमी कितें प्रोसेस केला, कशे तरेन करतले?
प्रोसेस एक इशू असो आसा की मायनिंग सुरू करपा जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंट केन्नाय मायनिंग सुरू करपाक इट इज अ गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू टेक ए कॉल. इवन काल सुद्धा जर तुम्ही इवन आता एक एजनाचे व्हिडिओ आसा तो क्लाउड आल्वारीस ताणें सुद्धा काल सांगलां की गव्हर्मेंटान 3 वर्सां फुकट घालेली ते केन्ना सुरू करपाक जाता. म्हाजें तेच म्हणटा की मायनिंग केन्नाय सुरू करपाक जाता. सुप्रीम कोर्टान मायनिंग सुरू करपाक बॅन काय ना. आतां प्रोसेस कशी यूज करपाचें, कितें करपाचें तें गव्हर्मेंटान ठरोवपाक जाय. जर गव्हर्मेंट येयल्यार आमी कितें सांगता आमी प्रोसेस सुरू करतले आनी सुरू हें करतले, प्रोसेस इम्प्लिमेंट करतले आनी मायनिंग सुरू करतले.
आनीक विचारता तुका, हे बीजेपी सरकार आतां कित्याक करना अशें दिसता तुका मायनिंग?
तांकां वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट आसा, ते कोणाक तरी मायनिंग लाटपाक जाय. सरळ आसा तें अडानी नाल्यार रिलायन्साक ते मायनिंग दिवपाक जाय असो विशय आसा तेंच्या कडेन.
जाल्यार तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन मायनिंगा संदर्भात गांभीरताय दाखयल्या म्हण क्लाउद आल्वारीसान सांगलां.
We are not a political party. We have got a program for restart of mining in a sustainable way. And we want to know why political parties are not accepting the program. Well, the program is very simple. That the iron ore belongs to the people of the state. Every Goenkar is an owner of the ore. This has been declared by the Supreme Court. It is declared by the Constitution. We said that if any activity of mining or mineral sale is taking place, then every Goenkar living in Goa must get a share in the benefit of the sale. This is our political position. So we want to know why political parties are not supporting us. Now, the only party which has come to support us is TMC. And they said that we are interested in recovery of all the illegal mining that took place. That is 35,000 crores of sharp commission. We have calculated it to 65,000 crores. So they said that we are interested in recovery and we will take action for it.
When Mr. Sawant took over as governor, as Chief Minister of Goa, he said that he will get mining started in Goa within 3 months. It has been 3 years and no mining has started in Goa.
On behalf of the Goenchi Mati movement, I would like to thank the Trinamool Congress for taking up the issue of mining head on. The issue of mining is easily Goa's largest environment and, more importantly, corruption issue. And if we do not break this nexus, between the miners, the illegal miners, and the established politicians, we will never get good governance and development in the state.
जाल्यार भाजपाचे मायनिंगा संदर्भात कांयच अजून स्पश्ट ना. महामंडळ स्थापीत केल्यार खणकाम लांबणेर दवरप शक्य ना, पूण सरकार महामंडळ स्थापीत करपाक कळाव करता, कारण आदल्या लीज धारकांक तांच्या लिजाचेर परत वचपाक वाट मोकळी दवरपाचो आग्रो धरता. जर सरकार प्रामाणीक आशिल्ले तर 3 वर्सां आदींच महामंडळ स्थापीत करतले आशिल्ले. मात अजून कित्याक सरकारान करूं ना हें खबर ना म्हूण क्लाउद आल्वारेसान म्हळां.
See, many people are saying that corporation will delay mining, but that is not correct. It is the state government who is delaying setting up the corporation. Judgment of Supreme Court has come in February 2018. Now we are in 2021, 3 years.
3 years.
For 3 years, the government has done nothing to set up the corporation. Only now, 2 months ago, it has passed a bill for setting up the corporation. So, who is responsible? If the corporation was set up in 2018, today mining would have started. People would have jobs. Some economy would continue in mining areas. So the blame cannot be put on anybody except the government. And then continue to complain that Goa Foundation is obstructing. As we can see, the Goa Foundation is today the only person who is saying you can restart mining in a proper way and how to do it so that everybody benefits. And nobody is interested. We are finding it ajib.